In today's video, we're checking out the Vivo Y37, a new player in the smartphone game. Announced in July 2024 and hitting the shelves in August, this phone is already catching eyes. So, let's break down what makes the Vivo Y37 stand out and whether it's the right choice for you. First up, let's talk about how the Vivo Y37 feels in your hand. This phone has a pretty standard design but with some nice touches. It measures 163.6 by 75.6 by 8.4 millimeters, which makes it a bit on the larger side, but not overly bulky. Weighing in at 185 grams, it feels solid but not too heavy. The build combines a glass front with a plastic frame and back. While it's not the most premium material, the plastic helps keep the phone lightweight and durable. Plus, it's splash and dust resistant with an IP54 rating, so you don't have to worry too much about everyday accidents. Moving on to the display, the Vivo Y37 sports a 6.56-inch IPS LCD screen. It's got a refresh rate of 90 Hz, which means scrolling and animations are smooth. The screen can get as bright as 840 nits, making it easy to see even in bright sunlight. The resolution is 720 x 1612 pixels, giving you a decent sharpness for everyday use. The 20:9 ratio and 83.6% screen-to-body ratio ensure you get a good amount of screen real estate without the phone feeling too bulky. Under the hood, the Vivo Y37 packs a MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, which is a solid choice for mid-range phones. It's built on a 6nm process, so it should handle everyday tasks smoothly. The octa-core CPU includes 2 high-performance Cortex-A76 cores and 6 power-efficient Cortex-A55 cores, which helps balance speed and battery life. You've got several options for RAM and storage, 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB of RAM with 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. The phone runs on Android 14 with Vivo's Origin OS 4, providing a clean and user-friendly interface. There's no microSD slot for expanding storage, so choose your storage option wisely. The camera setup on the Vivo Y37 is straightforward but effective. The main camera is a 13MP wide lens with an f/2.2 aperture. It's good for capturing decent photos in various lighting conditions. Features like LED flash and panorama mode add a bit of versatility. For video, it can record in 1080p at 30 frames per second. On the front, there's a 5MP selfie camera. It also shoots 1080p video at 30 frames per second, which should be fine for most social media needs and video calls. Battery life is one area where the Vivo Y37 shines. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which should easily get you through a full day of heavy use. Charging is handled through a 15W wired connection, which isn't the fastest but gets the job done. You can also use reverse wired charging to top up other devices, a handy feature if you need it. In terms of extras, the Vivo Y37 doesn't skimp on the essentials. It supports 5G connectivity, which is great for future-proofing your phone. You also get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.4, and GPS. While it doesn't have NFC, it does come with a 3.5mm headphone jack and FM radio, which are nice touches for those who still use wired headphones and enjoy radio. The side-mounted fingerprint sensor works well for quick unlocking, and other sensors like the accelerometer, proximity sensor, and compass add to the overall usability. So, is the Vivo Y37 worth your attention? If you're looking for a mid-range phone that offers good performance, decent camera quality, and solid battery life at an affordable price, it's definitely worth considering. For around €150, it provides a lot of features that many users will find appealing. Let me know what you think about the Vivo Y37 in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech gadget reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.